In this video, we list 5 best Shark vacuums. We talk about details and feature of these Shark vacuums. Let's get start with the video. Number 1. Shark Ion Robot RV750. Smart sensor navigation seamlessly navigates floors and carpets while proximity sensors assess and adapt to surrounding obstacles. Dual spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges. One-touch activation. Long-life lithium-ion battery allows for over an hour of cleaning time. Self-cleaning brush roll captures short and long hair, dust, dander, and allergens to prevent everyday buildup in your home. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Shark ION Flex IF251. Multi-flex technology provides flexible reach for under furniture and freestanding, compact storage. Duo Clean technology features a bristle brush to deep clean carpets and an additional soft brush roll to pull in larger particles and directly engage floors for a polished look. Removable, rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Easily converts to a handheld vacuum for above-floor cleaning, car cleaning, and more. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Shark NV752. Picks up surface litter and stuck-on debris, providing superior bare floor cleaning. Fingertip controls. Power on/off and easily switch from hard floor to carpet mode. A canister that detaches to deep clean hard-to-reach areas while still delivering power to keep the brush roll spinning. True Pet motorized brush and pet multi-tool. Ultimate pet hair cleaning for all surfaces. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Shark Rocket HV382. Duo Clean technology features a bristle brush to deep clean carpets. It converts into a 4.6 pounds hand vac for versatile above-floor cleaning. Brush roll garage for easy access to the brush roll for maintenance. It converts into a 4.6 pounds hand vac for versatile above-floor cleaning. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 5. Shark Navigator NV352. Press a button to lift the canister away and easily clean hard-to-reach areas. Powerful and lightweight. Portable and versatile at only 12.5 pounds. Deep carpet and gentle bare floor cleaning. Anti-allergen complete seal technology and a HEPA filter. Please check the description for details and best price. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.